Hey, welcome back. It's Bubs, also known as Bubsbee, and yes, I'm late giving you guys this review using African Prize Moisture Miracle Collection. So we're starting on very old and dry hair, and they have a pre-shampoo that I wanted to use and actually was excited to use because a lot of you guys have suggested this pre-shampoo to me. So I parted off a section in the back and applied a generous amount, and my hair was very tangled this day. I mean, when I say tangled, I mean naughty, super naughty and tangled. I had my hair in a puff for over a week, so you guys know the hair was dry, it was dehydrated, it was tangled, it was naughty, it was lint in there too. So I'm applying a lot to the section, and then I'm going in with my fingers to separate the section. If I need to, I will go in with the wide tooth comb and also my Felicia leatherwood brush to thoroughly detangle the section. So the pre-shampoo has a very light fragrance, in my opinion. It's not overpowering at all. It's very slippery, it's slimy, it's goopy, and I did like the texture of it. But I was not too sure this was going to glide across my strands well enough. When I do apply it all over, I do wet my hair as well. It does say you do not have to apply this on wet hair, but I like to do that. So I did that anyway, and then I went in and separated with my fingers. So separating with my fingers was easy, but going in with a detangling brush and also a comb was really hard because I found on this day that my hair was sticking together a lot because this product really clumps the curls really well, and also I had a lot of product on my hair previously. When my hair clumps too well and it clumps a lot, it makes it hard for me to detangle my hair because all my strands are forming and clumping in one direction, which I do not like actually for pre-pooing. I think if I had washed some of the product out previously, I would have liked the application a little bit more because my strands wouldn't have clumped so much with this product, and I probably would have had an easier time detangling with my brushes and tools if I would have did that. So I do recommend to try to get product off your hair first. I actually prefer to use this pre-poo treatment when my hair is not super naughty or my hair is not heavily coated with product. In my opinion, I think it works a little bit better. And once you do let this product sit, baby, your hair is soft. My hair was really soft with this. My hair had some elasticity. It felt really, really soft and moisturized. This is me just rinsing out the product right now, and you can see my hair is clumped really well. I have a lot of definition, and my hair is really, really soft. So I do like how it feels when my hair is sitting with the product. It feels good. So I'm now going to use their honey and coconut oil Nourish and Shine shampoo, and they now sell this in a huge 12 ounce, I believe. It's pearlescent and very, very moisturizing and hydrating. From the texture you can see, and you do get suds on impact, okay, on contact, which I am happy about. I love when I see suds and I see that the shampoo is working because it's cleansing my hair really, really well. So I'm going to cleanse my hair twice with this product. This shampoo is a very moisturizing shampoo. I was even able to separate my strands and finger comb, which is unheard of, but this shampoo is super moisturizing. I use this in January, okay, so I still have it in my stash, and I do like to use it because it's so hydrating. So I really like the moisturizing properties in this product. It gave me a really good cleanse and it was moisturizing. I thought it was a really decent shampoo. Okay, so after rinsing out the shampoo, I'm actually really impressed with this shampoo. I'm surprised that I'm this impressed. You guys know a shampoo is a shampoo is a shampoo. Either it's moisturizing, it's cleansing, or stripping. It's like either it's moisturizing and cleansing, or stripping and cleansing, or if it's moisturizing, it's not cleansing enough, and if it's stripping, then it's not moisturized after. My hair is actually really, really soft. You can actually tell because my hair is not shrunken. You can tell when I use a clarifying shampoo or something that's really gonna strip my strands. My afro is really, really shrunken, but you can see it does have some length to it. I mean, my hair still feels really moisturized. I did wash my hair twice and my hair feels really, really good. After the first wash, my scalp felt cleansed. So I was just like, do I need to go on the second cleanse? But I did remember that I did have a lot of buildup on my hair, a ton of buildup. A ton. Okay, I used a lot of product before this wash day, so I really wanted to get everything off, and my hair feels really, really good. It's really soft. I mean, I'm gonna keep this in rotation. I actually really, really like this shampoo. Next up is the Honey Chocolate and Coconut Oil Repair and Replenish Conditioner, which is new and improved. Okay, we got family size bottles here for the shampoo and the conditioner. So for the conditioner, I cannot compare it to the old formula, but we'll see how this goes. My hair is eating up this conditioner so far. It does have some slip. I don't think the slip is incredible. It does have slip. You can see, like, it's not taking, it's easy to finger comb. So it does have some slip. This conditioner is repairing and replenishing. So I initially think about protein, I think about strengthening ingredients, and I think about how my hair is gonna feel stronger with this product on. So with me, when I do apply product with some protein in it, especially with a strong or high protein, it's really hard for me to detangle my hair with those type of products unless it has incredible slip, super slippery and glidey. And this is it's not gliding that much. It did smooth across my strands, but it's more of a thicker conditioner. I personally would not detangle with this. I would just apply it and let it, you know, do its thing. Also, so far the conditioner has the strongest fragrance. The Pre-shampoo has a light, faint scent. It's not that strong as well as the shampoo. But the conditioner, the smell is really, really strong. I don't really like the fragrance. It's a little too potent for me. So I've let this conditioner sit on my hair for a little bit. And right now it is a lot softer and I'm able to detangle with this brush. And you can see it's really easy. So you definitely have to give this conditioner some time to really work. So after rinsing the conditioner out, my hair feels very soft. It feels a lot softer, fluffier. It does feel like it's a little bit of strengthened, but I don't think there's not that much strengthening properties in it to feel like it's more of like a protein conditioner. But my hair does feel softer. So the rinse out is definitely a lot better. Application, it was okay. I don't think it was the greatest, but I definitely love the rinse out. My hair feels really, really soft now. So I am going to move into moisturizing and sealing. I'm first going to go in with the coconut milk and honey hydrate and shine leave-in conditioner, which is a spray leave-in. And then I'm going to use the moisturize and define curling cream to style. And lastly, I'm going to seal everything in with the Strength and Protect 5 essential oils. So we're going to throw it back and do the LCO method, which I don't really do anymore. But the LCO method is actually perfect for this time of year. In the colder months, it works the best for me and I retain a lot more moisture. So I'm going to do that quickly. You're going to see me apply the products and then I'll talk about them after. So I'm now applying the leave-in conditioner all over. And this is their coconut milk and honey leave-in conditioner. This comes in 12 ounces. And this is a water-based leave-in conditioner. It's very lightweight and it has a blend of coconut milk, honey, and it's supposed to add shine and softness to the hair. After that, I'm using their shea butter and flaxseed oil moisture and define curling cream. Like the product states, it has shea butter, flaxseed oil, and these ingredients is going to provide moisture, definition, and add a lot of shine to coily and curly hairstyles. Lastly, I'm going to top it off with their 5 essential oils. And this is the restorative hair and scalp oil to nourish the hair. It has vitamin E to replenish. It's going to prevent breakage as much as possible and promote natural hair growth. Once the product is applied all over, I'm going to detangle it further with Kaleidoscope's tangling brush. I am testing this brush out. I have been doing it for a couple months now. Let me know if you guys want a review of this. I don't know if you want a review of this brush, but anyways, I'm going to proceed to do a braid out on my hair, a chunky braid out, and I'm going to apply as much product as needed, make sure my hair is thoroughly smooth and coated, and braid the section up. So let's talk about that lightweight leave-in conditioner. So, when it comes to lightweight leave-in conditioners, water-based leave-in conditioners, they're either a flop. They're mostly a flop for me. Like, let's be honest. I have very thick, coarse strands, and thinner leave-in conditioners do not work that well. They're actually perfect as refresher sprays throughout the week, but as a first step into hydration to add moisture for a hairstyle for a week, it just doesn't pack that much moisture for me, and that's what happened in this hairstyle. My hair wasn't as moisturized, and I think that was due to this lightweight leave-in conditioner. Thankfully, they have a thicker, heavier leave-in conditioner, so I highly recommend you guys use that with the curling cream because I feel as though you would get more moisture from the hairstyle. I prefer to use this leave-in conditioner as a refresher spray throughout the week. It will definitely give you some moisture, light hydration, and your hair will definitely feel soft from this. I'm pretty sure this line contains some cones, and I'm okay with cones. I don't know if you guys are. I don't use cones that much, but these products are pretty affordable. They're $5 or less for huge sizes, and they give my hair moisture, so I don't mind that. I really don't. But I love the texture of the curling cream. It's very thick and whipped and concentrated and heavy, so just use a decent amount for each section, and I think you get some great hydration. As for the oil blend, it's an oil blend, guys. I really like an oil blend. It's very lightweight, it's not heavy at all, and it's gonna give your hair shine and lock in the moisture. And this is the finished look. I really got a lot of volume in this braid out. I do still have some definition. My hair is really fluffy. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. Have you tried African Pride? You probably have already. I'm really late to the game when it comes to this collection. I did love it though. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave down below what else you want to see, what else reviews you want to see from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.